What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. AR Car Reviews here again with another video. But today we're not actually going to do a video, review a car, react to a video. We're going to react to my channel, you know what I mean? So the reason why we're doing this is because we want to end off 2023 in a good way and start off 2024 in a great way as well. So I think especially this past year, I've just done so much car stuff that it's so overwhelming to look back on it and see all the memories I've made, all the friends I've gained, all that type of stuff in the year of 2023. So first things first, Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're watching this video, thank you for being subscribed if you haven't already. If you have not, don't do that right now. And for all the likes and stuff. Like, it's really crazy to me. And just from my video, you could see I started this journey of YouTube like 2 years ago. So I really didn't know where I wanted to take it, but I know I wanted to do something with cars, especially with reviewing cars, because that's something I really enjoy. I enjoy like driving a lot of cars and all that type of thing. So let's see where we were 1 year ago. So 1 year ago, you can see by this graph, I was at 90 subscribers January 1st, 2023. So that's literally when the year just started. And from that time, I'm currently sitting at 314 subscribers. That is an amazing way to bring in the new year. Like, that's insane, okay? I would have never thought I would have that much just within 1 year. I really thought it was going to take me like 3-4 years, but I'm hoping that even more success can come into 2024, and I know it definitely will. So let's look at the videos we've done this year. So the start of 2023 is when I dropped my Honda Civic video, which is my personal car, if you guys don't know that. I did a review on the car. It was very interesting because it took me a really long time to actually complete the video. It took me so long to complete the video. It was just a matter of the technology that I had. Now I have this MacBook Pro, which I used to edit my videos on, and as you can see, it took me 1 year to do one video before, but with this I was able to do 49 uploads. It's pretty good. So yeah, I mean, trust me, there's reasons why I hate this thing, but for editing videos, it's pretty good. All right, moving on, we also did a video with a tuned BMW 5 Series. Now this video again was a little early into my, I guess you could say, YouTube career. I don't know. But it was really fun, except for I did one thing wrong. I actually didn't know the car that I was driving. Now I know that might sound silly to you guys, but it was basically a rental car. I rented it from a guy. He told me it was what he said, and I didn't really have a way of fact checking it, so I just went with what he said. So regardless, it still was a fun video to me. It was, you know, my first time doing modified cars, but maybe in the future I'll probably stay away from modified cars unless they're done in a way I can justify, or, you know, like certify what's been done to the car, because it is kind of hard to keep up with what someone else did. Regardless, it was a fun car, it was a fun video. I really enjoyed making it. And then right after that, because remember we said we started at 90, like 2 videos later I hit 100 subscribers and did my first giveaway, which we had the winners for that in the next upcoming videos. But it was so cool to like be interactive with you guys and to have a giveaway, and we're gonna do it again. Not like it's going away. We're gonna do it again, but we're gonna do it at a lot higher numbers. We're gonna put it at 500 and 1,000. So I'm hoping, I know we're gonna hit at least 500 this next year with all the stuff that we're gonna do. So definitely more videos to look forward to, definitely more giveaways, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you guys. The next video I did was the unveiling the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, which was a really cool car. Sadly, we probably will never see it on the road, or if we see it, probably won't be good, probably might get crashed. But yeah, so that was a really cool car, and it was a nice little video I did because Dodge just dropped the ball. And I'm just talking, I hope I get one of these to review. They're very rare, very expensive, but we could wait on it. Yeah, after that I ended up going to the New York City Auto Show at the Javits Center, and that was just another really fun video, really great video. I got to see the new 2024 Dark Horse. I got to see the Dodge Demon, which I did a video on. Just a whole bunch of cool cars. Was able to do the Jeep exhibit, and it's every year. It happens in New York City. This year I might skip it. I don't know, because they don't really change that much stuff. But if there are any cool cars, I definitely will check it out. But I don't think much has released since you know, EVs have taken over. I don't think I want to see Optimus Prime, Prius Prime at the Javits Center. But moving on to one of my biggest accomplishments, I feel like, on this whole channel. Two of my biggest accomplishments. First off, I got my first sponsor, which is for FitCamX dash cam. So it was super surprising to me, because at this point I just had like 100 something subscribers. I wasn't really expecting it at that point, but I got my first sponsor. You know what I mean? It's a really big deal for me. And I still use my FitCamX dash cam. It doesn't give me any problems. I even recorded an accident. I'll post it up right here. I recorded an accident from the FitCamX dash cam and was able to get the footage and just, you know, so it works incredibly well. It works incredibly fine. If you guys need a dash cam, use my code. They're really nice dash cams. So yeah, that was a big deal for me, getting my first sponsor. And some of you guys did buy it as well, so I appreciate those of you who did spend your hard-earned money. It does mean a lot. The next big announcement, I potentially did one of the best YouTube videos I think I might have done in my whole career. This video was for the 2023 Acura Integra A-Spec, and this car was really interesting. I'll put it like that. The car was very interesting, and a lot of people were interested in the car. I think a lot of people still are, and they're kind of on the fence about it, and honestly, me too. It's a great car. It's a fun car, but the thing is, for the money, it's just not that fast. And I feel like a lot of people in the world of competition wars, it's just like everybody wants to have like one up or the fastest thing. This car is not that, but it was very luxurious. It looked great, drove great. And yeah, so, but the video was absolutely amazing. I loved filming that video. It was a lot of fun. It was pretty cold. So I remember that day very specifically. It was a pretty cold day, but yeah, I'll definitely do it again. It was 10 out of 10. A lot of fun, and potentially one of my best videos. It was definitely my best video of the year, coming in at 16,000 views. And yeah, that's my most viewed video on my channel, which is crazy to me, getting like 16k views in less than a year. That's insane. After that, we did see a couple car shows this year. I haven't been able to edit a lot of them because I've been pretty busy with other things as well, but you guys will be seeing that footage, don't worry. So the one I did see was the Import Expo car show at the City Field. This was also a really interesting car show. It had a lot of different cars. I met a lot of cool people, and honestly, great car show. Yeah, nothing else I have to say about that. And after getting my first sponsor, only 3 months later, I got my second sponsor. Crazy, right? All within 1 year. I got my second sponsor, and the second sponsor was Windbooster. And they actually sent me out the product to test try, and I still have it on my car to this day. Like, it's a lot of fun. Like, honestly, if it was bad, I would say it's bad. These items are not bad. And it's just so fun to like see my gas tank is low, and then just throw it on econ mode and just see my car like decrease speed so much, and then at the same time put it in sport mode, and then next thing you know, like feel like I'm driving a go-kart. But it's a lot of fun. This item is a lot of fun. If you guys don't have either the FitCam or the Windbooster, definitely check them out, see if they have it for your car, and if you would like something like that. Moving on, we did a couple videos. Now the videos I've done are with the Dodge Charger GT. Now this car was, I really liked reviewing that car just because it was a Charger, and I never drove a Charger or Challenger before. I have been driven in one, but I never drove one myself, so I was very interested to see how it would feel. It felt just about as what I thought. Kind of big, kind of sluggish, but fun and dumb. Moving on, I did my first reaction video, which did really well. You guys really liked it. I have another one dropping right here. And yeah, that was pretty fun. That was pretty fun to do. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys really mess with the reaction videos? If you guys do like them, I'll keep doing them. I feel like it's a good way to expose you guys to funny car videos I see, and at the same time I can react to them, and you know, we can have a laugh together. So I think I like doing that. Next thing is the Petty's Garage King Edition Ford Mustang, and this was a car which I want to own in the near future. Now, the Mustang is a car that I've loved for so long. It's literally been like the background of my computer for I don't even know, maybe 2 years now, a GT350. I love the Mustangs. I want to have a manual one with preferably a Tremec, but if I could get it with the MT82, you know, I'll take it. I'm not the best manual driver, as we're about to see very soon. But yeah, I love that car. The owner is super chill. If you guys don't know, his name is Chad. I'll drop his Instagram right there. He has a bunch of other cars too. Really cool guy. Did a POV drive for that same car, which was my first time doing it, and I like doing it as well, just so I could get out more videos for you guys. And yeah, now the next video, which I put out 3 weeks ago, didn't go so good. Yeah, it did not go so good at all. The next video was learning how to drive manual in New York City gone wrong. Yeah, that wasn't it right there. That wasn't it. This okay, so I drove a Ford Focus ST, and I literally drove it for the whole day. And just to give you guys some clarification, I drove it for the whole day, didn't have any issues with the car. And then randomly, when I was going to give the car back to the owner, or we were going to like go back together, it just stopped working. And I was just like what's going on here? You know what I mean? But you know, luckily everything worked out. It was a couple old parts. I think the clutch was just worn out or something like that. So the owner got that fixed, and it should be fine now. I haven't spoken to him in some time, but yeah, moving on from that, we have the latest video. I just dropped it today, so if you guys haven't seen it, see that video. It's another reaction video for a Lamborghini Urus driver gets humbled by a Trackhawk. So essentially that's about it for my channel this year. It's been a great 2023. I got 2 sponsors, which I gotta thank God for. I got nearly triple my subscribers within just 365 days, so that's really good, and I know we're gonna grow even more in the future. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen any of those other videos, check them out now. I promise you, we're only getting better from here, and more videos to come. Thank you guys for the 314 subscribers. I appreciate you. Giveaway at 500, another giveaway at 1000, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for being a part of the AR Car Reviews channel. I really appreciate you guys. As we're going into 2024, we got other things coming. We have a video with the car review for the car that broke down. I at least was able to make it through that, and then we have a couple more reaction videos, and then I'm going to be looking out for more cars to review. So if you guys have any cars in the New York City area that you want me to review, hit me up. And if not, then drop a car down below that you want me to do a video with, or you think I should do a video with. If that's it, I appreciate all of you guys. I hope you guys all have a happy new year. New year, new me, right? That's what it is. I hope you guys all have a happy new year. I hope you enjoyed the time off with your friends. Happy Christmas, happy Hanukkah, all that type of stuff. And yeah, take care. AR out.